Okay, so I waited for this since this morning and I fell asleep waiting for this, so let's do this. Okay, that's the background. Wrong spelling. And then the what's inside the background. Center. Okay, I forgot. Sorry. Then rename this to mid because it's in the middle, of course. Then stretch this to occupy the height. The height of this container is 300, of course, and the width, let's reduce it like this. And then let's do the top left. For TLV for top left vertical. Let's copy the values of this mid. Then of course let's move these to the left. For that we will apply a negative value here like so. Okay, and then make the height half, push it on the top like so, and then let's create a vertical, I mean horizontal, that will intersect. And then instead of TLV, let's just copy this. And you know what, let's just, I'm thinking of rotating this, but it would take long. It would take a one line, so let's just bear with the values. Just switch the width and the height, adjust the position a bit like that, and also this. And we have an intersecting line. Then this box right here in the top left corner. Top left corner. Just copy this. As you can see, the height and the width is similar, so let's do that. And rename this to top left. What's the name? This TLC top left corner. And then put this on the top left corner, so this must be pushed 200 pixel, and this is 200. Wait, I'm dumbfounded by this 150. Here we can see this, but it's not enough. 70, 200. There, you can see this clearly. Let's add height and width. Add the size. 75. Then push this a bit to the top. That would touch the corner. I don't think so. That's corner. The edge, and This is not 80. There we can see a perfect box, and you know the drill. Let's just copy this and let's invert the values. But before that, let's create their class, and let's create this. Instead of top left, you say bottom right, right? Bottom right, right. Bottom right. BRB. BR for bottom right. And let's rename this here. Starting there. Bottom right vertical. Bottom right horizontal. Bottom right. Just like that. And flip the values. It still stays vertical though, from negative to positive, negative to positive. There you go. And by the way, today I just noticed the battle started. Maybe that's the reason why this is delayed. I can show you a bit here. If we go this page here, battles, it's loading, and there are four first battles. Uh, this is hard for me because because how would you how would you shape this kind of bean thing? It's not even a shape. It's not your regular shape. It says here, look away. Look away is a Mac OS app that puts your Mac in rest mode at regular intervals to help you rest your eyes. I don't know what that means, but let's move on. Here the three thing I did this morning, but I think this is not counted as our daily challenge, so I didn't record this. Then let's move on to the third one. This is kind of a flower snowflake thing, or should I say a an origami that's kind of flower. It's more like a flower because of this color. It is sponsored by this Code Crafters. And then lastly the spiral thing here, like a logo or something. So that's it. That's the first four, and I think the next four will reveal themselves 3 days from now. And look at here, it says this event will end in 17 days, so we got a lot more. And I don't know if I will try this one here. Okay, we are not able to see, so that's it.